12th math student, see some more problem from miscellaneous exercise chapter 11. Topic is 3D. Question number 11, line passing through 2 points. So first you have to find the equation of the line passing through 2 points. X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. So you get x minus 5 by 2 y minus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to z minus 6 by 5 is equal to lambda. So determine any point from this line. So x is equal to 2 lambda plus 5, y is equal to minus 3 lambda plus 1 and z is equal to 5 lambda plus 6. You can take this point is A. So suppose line intersect or crosses the given plane at this point. Your plane is zx plane where y is equal to 0. So putting y 0 from point A to minus 3 lambda plus 1 0, then lambda is 1 by 3. So putting this lambda, value of lambda in point A, and you get point of intersection x, y, z becomes point of intersection. Now see question number 14. There are 2 points which are equidistant from the given plane. So you can convert the plane in Cartesian form. If it is in vector, you can convert it in Cartesian form. So in place of r vector, you will write xi plus yj plus zk and then taking dot product. So you will get Cartesian form. Okay, so 3x plus 4y minus 12z plus 13 is plane. So distance of this plane from two given points 1p and minus 301. So apply the formula. What is the distance formula? Ax1 plus by1 plus c z1 plus d upon root of a square plus b square plus c square. So from both the points, so distance of first point from the plane, putting the point in plane and dividing by root of a square plus b square plus c square means square of the coefficient of x plus square of the coefficient of y plus square of the coefficient of z. And same thing when you find the distance from second point minus 301. Procedure is same. Both the distances are equal. Now find the value of p. After solving you will get p. Okay. Now see in question number 17, two planes are here. Vector equation of the planes are given. You can convert in Cartesian form. In place of r putting xi plus yj plus zk and taking dot product, so vector equation will reduce in Cartesian form. So you get x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 is equal to 0 and second plane 2x plus y minus z plus 5 0. Now here you have to find the third plane which passes through the line of intersection of two planes. A plane which passes through or crosses the line of intersection of two planes or contain the line of intersection of two planes. So what is the procedure? Third plane P3 is equal to first plane P1 plus lambda times P2 is equal to 0. Means combining both the planes by arbitrary constant lambda. So adding both by an arbitrary constant lambda to first plus lambda times second plane. Now collecting same term x, y, y, z, z, adding their coefficient. So you get 1 plus 2 lambda x plus 2 plus lambda y plus 3 minus lambda z minus constant 4 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. So this is your third plane which crosses the line of intersection of two planes. Now for value of lambda here condition is given. This third plane perpendicular to the given plane you can write in Cartesian form 5x plus 3y minus 4z plus 8 is equal to 0. तो dr of third plane is coefficient of x, y, z. You have written 1 plus 2 lambda, 2 plus lambda, 3 minus lambda. These are the direction ratios of normal of third plane. You can take as a1, b1, c1, and dr of given plane. See the coefficient of x, y, z 5, 3, minus 6. So you can take as a2, b2, c2. Now apply the perpendicular condition. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Determine the value of lambda. Then putting the value of lambda in required third plane. Okay. So after putting the value of lambda, you will find the equation of required plane. Now see one more question. Question number 18. Here in 18, a line which is given in a vector form. So line passing through the point a vector 2I minus j plus 2k and parallel to the vector after lambda 3I plus 4j plus 2k. So you can reduce in Cartesian form. So line passing through the point 2 minus 1 2 and parallel to the vector with dr 3 4 2. So dr you find from the parallel vector after given after lambda and before lambda, that is the position vector of a point. So how to convert in a Cartesian form or symmetrical form, you know, vector to symmetrical. So you can write equation of line in symmetrical form. X minus 2 by 3, y plus 1 by 4, z minus 2 by 2 means line passing through the point 2 minus 1 2 and dr of the line is written in denominator 3 4 2. So determine any point from this line taking all the ratios equal to lambda. So x is equal to 3 lambda plus 2, y is equal to 4 lambda minus 1 and z is equal to 2 lambda plus 2. Let this line intersect the given plane. Your given plane is equation is x minus y plus z is equal to 5. You can convert in Cartesian form. Plane here given in vector form, convert in Cartesian. So plane is x minus y plus z is equal to 5. If line intersect the plane, to putting the coordinate of point determined by the given line in equation of the plane. So in place of x, y, z in plane putting the coordinate. So after putting the coordinate, you get the value of lambda is 0. Then putting the value of lambda in point, what you have determined above, x is equal to 3 lambda plus 2, y is equal to 4 lambda minus 1, z is equal to 2 lambda plus 2. So putting value of lambda, you get point of intersection a is 2 minus 1 2 after putting the value of lambda. The a is point of intersection. So if line intersect the plane, what to do? Again listen, determine any point from the line and putting in equation of the plane, you will get point of intersection where the plane intersect the given line. So from the point of intersection A, you have to find the distance of any point B. B is given here minus 1, minus 5, minus 10. So distance from A to B means AB distance. Apply distance formula and find the distance between 2 points. Okay.